So one of the things that you can actually do with Claude is generate out poetry with it as well. So you can go ahead and say, let's say for example, write a poem, and then you can go ahead and give it a topic about a software developer who loves to code games. Let's say for example, right here, just like this. So I'm simply saying write a poem right here, just like this. So now you can give more details as you want as well, but let's see what it actually generates as I say that. So now you can see it says write a poem, and it says here's a poem right here. And then it'll go ahead and you can see that it's compiling standards, rendering the pixel poetry right here, and so forth. And will give you a creative poem right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can see that it actually went ahead and then created out some graphics as well that goes with the poem. Although I didn't ask, it's creating it right here, like a creative content, as you can see right here. So now it says the code cartographer and a poem. He wakes up before the city stirs, the coffee cooling by the keys, a universe inside his head, all dragons, dungeons, galaxies. He writes the rules that will obey, a god of loops and nested calls who breathes a hero into life and carves these stones for dungeon walls. So you can see that this is a proper poem right here, along with the relevant graphics as well. So you can go ahead and download out the file as well, as you can see. So this is an SVG format of image right here. So you can simply go ahead and see, like, this is what you have. You can even go ahead and, let's say for example, copy it out and paste it in any other location as you want as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and generate out poetry using Claude.ai as well. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe